Hello my friend, this is NAVIFORCE watch. Today, this video is aimed to teach you how to set the multifunctional watch. The model is NF8018. It's a chronographic watch. We can have a detail to look at. Here the three small windows. And this window these two windows we make it of the hourglass shape. And this small window at 12 o'clock is the 1/10-second stopwatch. And here is the second window. And here is the minute window. And when this window goes around one circle, and here this window will move one step, and here goes around one circle, and this minute time window will move one step. Okay, these three buttons we call button A, button B, and button C. And when you start the stopwatch, to press this button A. When you want to stop, okay, it's stop and restart and stop. And okay, here this window it has moved 2 steps. And if you want to reset all the data, press this button C. Okay, all come to their original. And how to set the time and the date? Okay, we need to use this crown. We can push 2 steps of this crown and try to pull slightly to put out 1 step. Put out 1 step, and then the quartz rotate quartz. Here is 2. I have pushed it out 2 steps and then rotate clockwise rotation and can set the time. You can see here quartzwatch or rotate counterclockwise can set the time you need. And when you slide to put 1 step the crown, and make it the rotate the clockwise, then can set the date. Okay, you can see here. Okay, now here finish the date set and press it into the crown, and now it's finished the setting. Okay, here's all for the setting for the model NF8018. If you want to know more video to setting the function, just do not forget to subscribe our crown. Okay, thank you. See you next time. Bye.